Hey guys, it's been a while since we've talked to you, since we've shown you what's been going on, so we wanted to check in, show you some of the plants that are flowering right now in our garden this spring, and some new plants we just got.
Can't wait to show you some of these new plants, and we can't wait to get them planted. But we really hope you guys you're off to a great spring, and your garden is giving you a lot of joy right now. I know ours is.
It's been so warm lately this April, and so hey, with that, let's look at what's actually flowering right now.
Okay, so the first thing we want to show you guys, other than all the stuff that's growing, we wish we could show you everything.
Let's take a quick panning view over through things.
Check out our one of our eclipse is just really popping up.
And let's go over here and let's look at our tulips.
Aren't those beautiful?
Oh, gorgeous.
We're just excited to see what popped up because it's kind of a surprise right now. This is a Darwin a Darwin hybrid, which is great. And we don't even remember planting these. Look how beautiful that color is.
There we go. There's focus. Oh, that's gorgeous. It looks perfect.
So you know what? On our list, more tulips for next fall.
Yep, definitely. I think so.
Yeah. This is Black Hat Rhododendron from Proven Winners, and it's just gorgeous. It's actually basically done blooming.
Yeah, it's almost done. These are on their way out, aren't they?
I think this started blooming like 3 weeks ago. I mean, it's a very early blooming rhodie, and that's pretty cool around here. The color is gorgeous.
Now, what do you have behind there over on your right-hand side?
These are Sun Lover double tulips. Kind of forgot these were here. They're just all everywhere now.
They almost look like a peony, like a double peony, type of tulip.
But they're so funny, and they're top heavy. They're kind of growing all over the place.
Let's get a close up.
To be totally honest, I thought I got all the bulbs out of that container last spring when we were planting. But
surprise!
So that was, they're just gorgeous and huge. We have hydrangeas and things everywhere that need to be planted, and we're really excited. I think next week is going to be planting week around here, right?
It is. Oh, and really quick, guys, we got a couple new containers. You can see out here if it refocuses. See those containers on either side that match right there? Those two are going to have matching hydrangeas in them, and so I think, honey, which one are those called again?
Those are flowerful hydrangeas. They're a smooth hydrangea, brand new this year from First Edition.
So we'll get those planted, and we'll show you that later.
Oh, I can't wait to see those big, huge white flowers. All right, we're going to walk through our path here. We have a lot of projects coming up, you guys, and a lot of planting. Yep,
and so this is fun for us. We get to walk the path with you. This is the path we walk every time we come into our garden. So you're literally walking our path of our garden right now.
And again, we're still here at my mom's house. We've got everything in containers, which is really fun. We're still working on this area out here that we're calling our Crescent Garden area, including this cool planter. What do you think we should plant in that?
I don't know.
I'm really thinking about this a lot.
It's like you said, it's a really tall planter. It's a true drop, self-watering kind of planter from Crescent Garden. The cavity inside here goes all the way down to about here for soil. So the soil level goes down to here. It tapers down inside, but the rest inside here, between this wall and the inner wall, it can all fill up with water. So that's a lot of water, and I don't know what we should grow in here. Something with kind of a deeper root system, I think, would be really cool.
I can see something tall and spiky coming up out of this, but I also want to see something flowing over it. Something bright. I don't know, like maybe we put something, I don't know what yet.
Hey, guys, if you have a suggestion for us, we'd love to hear some ideas. If you have any, let us know down below.
But I think our plan is to put this over here in the middle.
Okay.
Right? Wasn't that one of our ideas?
We're going to have to move some of those Spanish bluebells there.
Oh, yeah.
There's a couple right there. They're a little trampled from all our activity out here.
But okay, so this whole area back here, we've got this rim planter right here. That's going to go over here a little more. You know what is very exciting, and we can't wait to show you? We have a container delivery coming next week.
Oh, yes. Like 30 plus containers. Pretty cool. We're really excited about it.
We're very, very, very excited to show you what you can plant in these certain containers, and some of them are going to be new for us, like new styles.
Yeah, new styles, and definitely kind of a new kind of container for us where it's not going to be a lot of self-watering, but they're calling them double-walled containers. They're Crescent Garden containers, and so they're going to be fun for us to plant in because we've never planted really in them before. So these are pleat containers. These are double-walled, both of these.
I love them.
And so we were going to get, I think, 1 or 2 more of these. I think.
I can't remember. I think we got one more the same size.
Well, stay tuned
I know,
because there's going to be a lot more of them coming, and we'll show you that when they come. We'll go over all of them and the different styles and shapes and sizes. So yeah,
that's going to be so much fun. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. So here's just a quick shot of all of our, a whole bunch of our hydrangeas. What do we have over there?
Yep, our Summer Crush. They're coming back in.
Hold on, let's check those out.
Beautiful. We need to repot these, prune them, repot them, and add some new soil to them. So we'll be doing that coming up here fairly soon.
Kind of shady over here.
It is.
There we go.
Yep. Oh,
that is Pop Star.
Yep.
Oh, we have another Pop Star we need to plant.
Yes. Yep. It's still blooming from. It got forced. Yep. It was forced blooming.
Summer Crush. And then did you see we have 2 Eclipse in here that we need to separate? So that's coming.
You know, and they were budding up before we actually started getting our warmer temperatures. We were getting a lot of colder temperatures, and they were already their buds were already starting to break. They're doing fine, and look, they're already growing they're developing their first inflorescence, their flowers. Sorry, too many names there. But you can see right here. Look at that. Beautiful.
Oh, I'm so excited. We
these are kind of
we need to find a new home for one of these. We ended up planting those together for some reason last year, and they grew just fine, but they're getting too big.
Mm-hmm.
We have some other hydrangeas here. We'll do a better hydrangea tour coming up here pretty soon.
Yeah. So hey, let's go look at our last bit over here. These Senetti Paracallis.
Irises.
Oh, the irises. Yep. So guys, we wanted to show you the Senetti Paracallis. These were sent to us by Suntory Flowers, and so we're doing a couple videos for them. You might see it before this one, you might see it after it, but aren't these beautiful? We've got bicolor blue and purple, or maybe that's magenta. Thank you. It's bicolor magenta, and isn't this a great contrast? Is just a monoplanting of these Paracallis. These are beautiful.
There's a blue solid color in there too.
Yep, there it is. They call this a blue. It's more of a purple to us, but that's okay. Yeah. So
where's our favorite one?
Our favorite one is the spoon-petaled flower.
Beautiful.
These literally look like little spoons radiating out from the center. Aren't those gorgeous, you guys? These are fun too if you don't know. They're cool season flowering plants, meaning they like to flower right now. So they're early spring flowering plants. And these are super hardy. These will flower all the way down to 35 degrees. So some of our colder nights, it's not going to hurt them. It'll hurt some of the other plants. It'll slow down the flowering of other plants that you might have out here in the Pacific Northwest, but not these guys.
Okay, let's head in the greenhouse. We've got a lot of plant deliveries that have come in the last couple weeks.
Yes.
So let's see if we can all fit in here.
And sorry guys for any of the noise going on here. I think I'm just going to have to go from this angle here.
Our little greenhouse here. Okay, I don't know where to start.
Well, first off, these are all from Doom and Orange.
So we've got a whole bunch of beautiful annuals that we get to plant, like this Calibrachoa.
Oh yeah. Now, and they sent these to us about last week or so, and so we feel so lucky and blessed to have all these. Oh, and I think we got some dahlias back here.
So these Calibrachoa are called Aloha Kona Hula Pink.
Wow, that's quite a name.
What is that?
What's the name on these dahlias?
Yeah, let's check. Okay,
please.
Let me find the tag. Can't wait to see these. These are Mega Bloom Raspberry Ice.
Okay, can I get a picture of that tag? Just to show everybody. Oh yeah.
And there's a QR code there if you guys want to
cool.
check those out. So we'll show you these when they bloom and we'll get these all planted up. Beautiful light pink petunia. Look at that color.
Wow.
So pretty. So we've got a bunch of geraniums over here.
Get a little closer there.
I know I'm kind of in your way.
No, that's okay. It's a small greenhouse.
We've got this bright pink geranium. We've got another
It's already flowering. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's a little early.
It is a little early. I know. That's why we kept them in the greenhouse, because we've had some cold nights around here in the PNW.
Oh, zonal geraniums.
This is another, zonal. And this is like a salmon color we have not seen yet. So
what have we got next to it there?
We've got a beautiful verbena over here.
Oh, yes, we do.
That's pretty. And then we've got a scavola over here, a white scavola.
More scavola, and it's flowering.
So that's a fun one.
Gorgeous.
So again, all of these are from Doom and Orange, which is the breeder of all of these plants. So you would be able to find them at your garden center.
Now, what do we got on the other side? More from Doom and Orange.
So these are more of the shade. This is our shade side. So we've got a really fun coleus we're excited to plant.
Oh yeah.
And I don't know what this one's called, and I don't see a tag. Here, wait. This is called Main Street Franklin Street.
Oh, Main Street series. Okay.
Yeah, right.
We've grown some of those before, but not this specific kind.
Yeah, exactly. I'm excited to see those again. We've got a begonia in the back here that's in bloom.
Let's get
Isn't that gorgeous?
Gorgeous.
We'll show you that when we get that planted. I love the leaf color. The foliage is just gorgeous.
Oh, yeah.
We've got a really fun Tradescantia.
Say that 10 times fast.
Tradescantia.
Tradescantia.
So, and then we have a... what is this? A New Guinea Impatiens.
Yeah.
Magnum Violet Star.
Gorgeous.
You know, it's just foliage right now, right? But
it will
nice
flower.
And
yep.
We've got some of our mums down here.
Oh yeah,
what
look at
else
that.
is going on?
They overwintered. Yay.
I know. That's always nice. Now over here we have a different plant delivery. This came from, this is a breeder that we're going to be growing plants for. We've got some dianthus right here. We've got some sweet potato vine and different...
Oh, we haven't grown that in a couple of years.
I know, and you know what? We've got some slug damage or something going on here.
Uh-oh. Okay. Well, we'll figure it out.
Take care of that. And then...
yeah, what's on there in the end?
What's this one? And we've got some Nepeta over here, catmint, if you call it that, and that's called Neptune.
Yeah.
Got 4 of each plant.
Dianthus.
Yeah, look. This one's about to bloom.
Oh, gorgeous. Yes. Yep.
Really grassy foliage. So that'll be fun. We've got to do some watering and some pest control in here.
Yes.
That's coming up later today.
Yes.
All right, you guys, that's our quick wrap up. That was a very, very brief tour, but we just wanted to say hi and show you a couple things going on in the garden here.
Yeah. So definitely stay tuned for some more videos coming up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We'd love to have you on board with us and following what we're doing out in our garden. If you got any questions, leave them down below for us. If there's any actual plants that you saw out here when we were walking around you got more questions about, definitely ask us down below. We'd love to talk to you about them.
So thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.